Hey guys, welcome to my channel. No. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is gerdygal and today we're gonna be working with the Just Peachy mats by Too Faced. This is my first video, so if you guys like it, then please subscribe. I'm gonna be uploading videos every Thursday. We got our Kathleen inspired board. She's my favorite YouTuber on here. That's my Instagram, by the way, gerdygal96. So anyway, yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. By priming our faces using the Becca First Light Priming Filter. It's glass, but it's nice, expensive, but nice. I just think it really leaves kind of like a tacky base. And as you can see, I have a lot of redness on my skin, and this just kind of like tones it down a little bit. Okay, so we got our face primed, and now we're just gonna go right to the eyes. Okay, so let's see, what do we do here? I love the mirror. That's a really great mirror. So we're just gonna start for the crease. I think I'm just gonna go with Fresh Picked. I think it's super nice. Okay, and we're just gonna go right in to our crease. Now, I'm not an artist, as you can tell. I just go where the flow is. Okay. So, you can see it's a pretty matte. I went a little bit overboard. You can do a little bit simple. I just like for the crease to get noticed, you know? I really enjoy color. Okay, now we got Fresh Picked. Now we're gonna go right in to Peach Tea. I love the names. I think the names are so great. And I'm just gonna go right here. As you can see, I'm just right in the corner. They're very soft colors. I think they're very easy to blend with each other. I've tried several combinations and they just look cute. Like, it always blends out. Okay, we got Fresh Picked for a crease. We got Peach Tea for right there in the outer corner. Now, you can go for a lighter color. I think that's cute. I'm just gonna go with Peaches and Cream. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Peaches and Cream. I use the same brushes a lot. I don't have a lot of brushes. I'm not very professional. This we're just gonna be taking it on the inner, like the other half of the eye that we just missed. Yeah. Okay, and just pat it. I just pat it because I feel it just looks a lot better. And see, it blends out nicely. Like, even if you're not a professional, it blends really nice. Okay, I'm just gonna take the same crease brush and I'm gonna keep smoothing it because it just looks too harsh. Have to clean this up. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take another small brush and I'm gonna go with Peach Meringue, and I'm gonna do that under my eyebrows, just lightly. And it also helps if you keep blending and you still feel like you got harsh lines. This also helps to smoothen it over. Guys, I need to tell you, this is my first video. I suck at it. But it's okay, we're having fun, right? Okay. I don't do my brows. I know you've probably been watching this video like she hasn't done her brows. I don't tend to do them because I have bangs and you can't really see them. So I just don't do them, and I'm letting them grow out a little bit. So it looks kind of better. I don't know. I don't know, if I don't like it, I'll just cut it right off again. Okay, so this doesn't have any glitter shades. As you can see, it's all matte. So if you want to add a glitter of your own, if you want to add a glitter of your own, you can. You just look it up and add whatever glitter. I think gold looks nice here, or like a halo effect. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, so we have our eyes. Now, oh my god, where's my mascara? Alright, so I curled my lashes, and now we're gonna do, my mascara is the Kiko Milano Gold Waves mascara. Super nice. I really enjoy the formula. I just think it's light. Do you guys use Kiko Milano? You know, I took a trip last month and I will see the store everywhere, and I was like, it has to so I was like, it has to be good if it's everywhere, you know. So I bought a couple things. I bought two things really, and I love it. This mascara, I think it's super great, super light. I don't have a lot of lashes, as you can probably tell. I don't have a lot of them. So when a mascara makes my lashes look good, I buy it. And it's not really expensive. It was like $7, I think. I'm gonna look it up. Okay, so now I got this little mess here. I have to clean it up. I just tend to use one of these on this area, and I just lightly go over it. Most of the time I just wear my eye makeup, so I just take the crease brush again with a little bit of color and just go right through it. Oh, with the word color, Jesus Christ. Okay, that took forever, but see, we don't have any more of that mess. Okay. So now, I'm not gonna use foundation because it's like 100-degree weather today, and it's terrible. I feel like my face just gets really cakey if I go outside during the day, and it's no. So I'm just gonna go straight ahead with the concealer. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Super cheap, super good. It's great for school. It's great for everywhere. It's great for, I've even used it for night, okay? And it really does not show on cameras. Like, I have tried it during the night. I'm taking those pictures with the flash. I put it on my mom. Nothing. It's good. By the way, my hair is wet. Doesn't matter. Okay. So I'm just gonna go right where I need it. I embrace my redness. I know the foundation just like hides the redness, but I don't really, but I just embrace it. Embrace your redness. Okay. So I'm gonna take my damp sponge. It's the Real Techniques sponge. Also cheap, also good. It's already damp. I just take it over. Now, if you have the same problem as me, I suggest that I would wait and after I do this step, then I add mascara, but I don't do that because I forget every time, and I know this always happens. Of course I clean my brush blender. I clean clean it, but it's annoying. So if that happens to you, just do the concealer first and then the mascara. Don't do it like I do. Okay. Yeah. That's good. If all else fails, just use your finger. Okay. Now we did that, and I'm just gonna go over with the Kappa the blotting powder. This is translucent. As you can see, it doesn't have any colors, so everyone can wear it. And I feel like it's just really light. I'm just gonna go over with my MAC 116 brush. I know I haven't named any of these brushes, but I'll name them below. And mainly because I use the same brush for almost everything. And I think we all know by now which brushes to use. Okay. Wow, I forgot like half of my stuff. Keep moving all over the place. Okay. Now I'm gonna bronze my face with the Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer. I love this. It broke. As you can see, it doesn't have the waves. I've had it with me for a very long time. I love the smell. It smells so good. It's a Physicians Formula brand. And it's just really nice. This is a shade that works for light people. I don't think it works for darker skins, but I think they already made 2 different shades. I don't know if they made a deeper one. I just did this. Create a jawline. Yeah. Oh my. We're good. And now for blush, I use the Tarte Party Amazonian Clay. It's very light. They give it to you on your birthday on Sephora. I know. My hand. My brush is over there. Take it light a little bit. I'm not a big fan of blush. Smile. There we go. Now I'm gonna take the Lifesaver, what I call the Lifesaver palette. It's a small, you can get it at the line at Sephora. I think it's so much better. It has worked for me so many times. It has saved my life. It's the Tarte's Pro Glow To Go palette, and I think they made another one for like summer. Anyway, this has saved me so much. I love this color for the highlight. I just love it. I don't know if you can see. Look at that! See? It's great. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. This is the one. I'm gonna take the e.l.f. highlighting brush and I'll go over it. This is great. When I'm in a hurry, this is all I use. This is all I use. It's great. I love it. Wow. And it's not chunky glitter, it's like glow. Okay, and then I take the burst. This burst, I use it for body highlighting mostly. I just take a brush. This is my body brush. I don't use it for anything else other than my body. And take a little bit, and then I just go over my bones. Go over my bones. See, I think it's just great. It makes your body look pretty. Sometimes I even use that on my bone legs. It's great. Okay, we got all that. Now, time to set our face. I have a little Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. I don't have the big one because I was just testing this out. I wasn't really sure whether to buy it or not. Let me see. Okay. It's really nice. It just feels nice. And now, for the finale, I'm gonna take my Butter Gloss NYX lipstick in the color Snow Cap. I just think it's a good nude. See? It's a nice little nude, and it's buttery and it's cheap. Okay, I have everything ready, so I just need to get my hair dried and show you guys the final look. Okay, so this is the final makeup look. I think the palette is great for day to day. It's great for night. It's great for people who don't like a lot of glitter, who like things very simple, that it's easy to blend out. I think this is definitely one of the palettes. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe. Let me know. I'll post videos every Thursday. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!